a 17-horsepower Ruston Hornsby engine.
Whoever invented this engine is undoubtedly a genius. Enter the radial engine, the powerhouse that predates the era of jet-powered aircraft. In 1908, the Séguin brothers of France pioneered a revolutionary engine, a radial engine featuring cylinders arranged circularly around the crankshaft. It proved to be more reliable, lighter, and held substantial power potential compared to traditional engines. The specifications typically ranged from 5 to 9 cylinders, and for those craving even more power, multiple rows could be stacked, boasting up to a whopping 28 cylinders. The power was unparalleled. Before the advent of jet engines, many piston aircraft engines adopted this innovative design. However, a pertinent question arises. If these engines found success in aviation, why did they not become mainstream in automobiles? The answer lies in the engine's inherent drawbacks. The noise generated by radial engines was deafening, forcing drivers to wear noise-canceling headphones, significantly adding to the complexity of driving and raising the risk of accidents. Vibrations at high speeds were pronounced, exacerbating stability and grip issues while driving. Additionally, the engine's radial dimensions posed challenges in placement, requiring alterations to transmission systems. And the surplus exhaust, cooling, and fuel systems were challenging to accommodate within the limited space of automobiles. Moreover, the radial engine's fuel consumption was exorbitant. Taking all these issues into account, the radial engine, despite its numerous advantages, failed to find widespread use in automobiles. Do you think it will be possible to put aircraft engines in cars in the future? Leave your answer in the comment section.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Hi, did you know how a game engine gets started? Let's find out together. And do you know where such game engines can be used? How many horsepower do you think this engine has? Final question. Is it a steam engine or a diesel engine?
Facts. Did you know that the 747-8 uses GE-NX high bypass turbofan engines? This means that most of the thrust is made from the big fan at the front, rather than the exhaust.
This is the main engine crankcase. This is the crankshaft. Its weight is 319 tons. We are cleaning it now.